Good day everyone. Welcome to my channel again. Today we normally speak about random stuff, but I'm gonna focus on CV joints today. CV joints is very important in your vehicle. It's very important for safety, number one, and it's very important for your car when you turn. Make sure you replace a worn and bad CV joint. A CV joint is located just behind the wheel in the front of the vehicle. You get an inner and an outer CV joint. Outer CV joint is very important while driving. If you start hearing a clicking sound, click 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 click, it will sound like a lot of rattle tins when turning into different directions. That is a sign of bad CV joints. Number two, if you hear a thumping sound and a sound that's knocking coming from the front wheels, it can be your CV joint as well. Not only something else like your ball joints or something, but it can be your CV joints as well. Make sure you check your CV joints. Make sure there's no grease coming from the boot. The CV has a boot at the back. Make sure the boot is properly on and there's no grease that's leaking out of the CV joint. Also, it is very important for your CV joint to be in working order, because when you are driving, it's the mechanism that sends the torque to the wheels for your car to move. So make sure your CVs is properly, and make sure your CVs are in working order. Thank you guys. I hope this was informative. May you like and subscribe the channel to more daily random content, and may you have a lovely day. See you guys.